Hi, good day everyone. I am Marian and I am here to discuss to you the answers based on the given questions. Mainly these are: first, what are the human activities that requires automation from artificial intelligence? Second, and what are the different data that needs to be mined and how it correlates with each other? Let us now proceed to the first question. But before that, let me repeat to you what is the question. What are the human activities that requires automation from artificial intelligence? We all know that human strengths have its limitations. These strengths includes the physical, mental, social, and psychological aspects. Thus, a need for an automation in performing these activities arises. And this includes the manufacturing, social media advertising, the travel industry, the healthcare, the customer support, the finance, the retailing, the food service, and lastly, the agricultural industry. All of the activities mentioned requires automation for it is mostly dependent on the use of physical strengths. For example, in the manufacturing industry, almost all of the activities are performed by humans, from loading products to loading materials on production equipment to welding to maintaining equipment. By shifting this activity to automation, productivity will likely to increase since workers can now more focus on the core processes of the organization. One of the human activities also that requires automation is the agricultural industry. In our country, the Philippines, it is still relying on the traditional way of farming. Most of the countries now are advancing their agricultural industry, while the Philippines still remain the same. Through automation, we can increase our food production. Since our farmers feed the whole country, might as well help them lessen their burden in making food for the nation. Since we already know the answers in the question number one, let us now proceed to the second. And again, let me repeat to you the question. What are the different data that needs to be mined and how it correlates with each other? This data includes flat files, relational databases, transactional databases, data warehouse, um, spatial databases, multimedia databases, World Wide Web, and lastly, the time series databases. This data from multiple sources are integrated into a common source known as the data warehouse. It correlates with each other by looking for the patterns between them by using the different data mining techniques. To conclude, technological advancement can really be of great help in making this world a better place to live in. It is up to us now on how we will manipulate it or make use of it in the future innovations.